Data shows that business owners that plan for an exit between 1 and 3 years in advance, they get the best possible outcomes. Why does that happen? Simply because when you start cleaning up your financials and looking at your business and analyzing your business, you're able to make the right changes that will allow you to charge a premium or demand a premium when you go to the market. Because if you're looking to sell your business, for example, next month, it's impossible for you to move every single tribal knowledge in your head and pass it on to your team and train them. That takes time. If you want to sort out any current issues, whether that's legal or financial issues, those take time. If you want to strengthen your operation, it takes time. So the best way to do it without seeing a decline in the performance of your business is by giving yourself 1 to 3 years and bringing in experts to support you during this process. Now that you understand the importance of timing, you have to comprehend that the market in general is not positioned to give you the best possible value. It is your responsibility to create an environment that allows you to demand a higher valuation. Remember, you can do that through preparation because preparation preserves value. If you found this video valuable, click the link in the description to sign up to our free webinar training. We will be talking about the realities of you going to market. We will also be sharing with you the free tools within our ecosystem. So that's our business valuation, that's our risk simulator, negotiation simulator, and you also gain access to our latest book. This is over 120 years of combined experience crammed into 100 pages, all for free. So I'd love to see you on this webinar. If you find the content useful, drop me an email, connect with me, let's have a conversation.